guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my square medium soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. And I'm just going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. I know I shouldn't say that I have a favorite, but I will definitely say that this shape is one of my favorites. I just love the versatility of it because if I want to be long, I can keep them that length, or if I want to cut them and make them a little bit shorter, which I do pretty often, I can trim them up. So this is definitely one of my favorite shapes. So for Polygel today, we're going to be using this Ohuhu Polygel, and for my slip solution, I'm going to be using alcohol. But I'm just going in with this and doing my same method as always, just going in and applying that to the full nail cover and making sure that the cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nail. You really want to make sure that when doing this method, that you're not applying too much polygel on the full nail cover. If you do happen to apply too much and some polygel oozes out around the sides of your nails, you just want to make sure that you go in with that brush and clean it up before curing. Now, I should have did this before I applied the polygel, but you want to make sure that you trim your nails if you are going to trim them. This is a nail cutter that makes all of your nails the same length, and this is available for purchase on Amazon. I love this tool. It's definitely a necessity, but you want to make sure you do this before applying the polygel. So as you can see, I kind of messed up there, but I get so many questions on if I leave my full nail covers on. And the answer is yes. These are soft gel full nail covers. They're not like dual forms. They're not ABS plastic. Dual forms are plastic full nail covers, so they are meant to pop off. These are soft gel full nail covers, which is why they're a bit more expensive. And that's simply because they're meant to mesh with almost any product that you use. If you're using polygel, gel applicator, if you're using a solid nail glue gel, if you're doing a builder-based method, like it's meant to mesh with any product that you're using, almost any product that you're using. As for ABS plastic, those pop off. And even if you wanted those to last, you could just etch the inside of the full nail covers. So yeah. As you can see, I'm just going underneath the nail and flattening it out. You want to make sure that you're doing that as well, since we're leaving these full nail covers on. I get a lot of questions on if it's bulky, and it's definitely not. I feel like that full nail cover actually adds that like extra layer of protection to your nails. So yeah, I know I don't show like me curing my nails and everything, which is probably why it's so confusing for people if I leave them on or not. But yes, I do leave them on. So I'm just going to finish applying all of my nails and I'll be back. Now I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and wiping down my nails before we begin filing. I had it in my Amazon favorites, but my file is an 80/80 grit nail file. If you've never tried it before, 10 out of 10, recommend it. It's life-changing. Going in now with my favorite polish. This is a Milky White Builder Base. I don't know the brand, don't even want to try and jip the name. But I'm applying this as if it were a regular gel polish instead of a builder base. I'll have the link to this down below. But it just makes any like nail color you use have a nude overlay almost. So I love it. I use it on almost all my nail types now. Like I know I need to relax, but yeah, just going in with a light layer of that and curing. And for our design, we'll be using this gold metallic paint gel. I believe I purchased this from either Amazon or AliExpress. I'm not sure, but I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. And we're going to be doing hearts. We're doing a little V-Day look. I just go in and apply 2 dots with this nail dotter tool. I know it's super hard to see and I do apologize for that. But yeah, I'm just going in, applying 2 hearts, and then I go in with a regular line art brush and connect them at the base. So I know, like I said, it's very hard to see, but you kind of get the hang of it. So after you finish the hearts, I forgot to show to apply a top coat, but now we're at my favorite part, the cuticle oil. I'm going to be using my scent Citrus today. It's very important that you invest in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil, and as always, this is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. And here is the final look. I know it's Valentine's Day today, so I just wanted to give a cute little moment. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, side note, if you enjoyed my Amazon haul video and want me to do more videos like that, let me know. I hope you guys are enjoying your V-Day. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!